Good morning, everyone. Happy Labor Day. This is your fourth stimulus check update, fourth stimulus package update, and daily news report. Millions of Americans are losing their unemployment benefits today. Senator Joe Manchin wants Congress to not pass the new relief bill. Please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Over 7 million people across the United States will lose their unemployment benefits beginning today as crisis safety nets expire. The emergency federal jobless benefits are set to end on Labor Day, while another 3 million people will lose their additional $300 boost to state unemployment benefits, barring any government intervention. The White House has stated that there are no plans to expand federal unemployment benefits any further. Jared Bernstein, who sits on the White House Council of Economic Advisors, had told reporters $22 trillion economies work in no small part on momentum, and we have strong momentum going in the right direction on behalf of the American workforce. The September 6th benefit cliff was part of a deal that was made in March of this year to extend federal jobless aid from the $1.9 trillion stimulus relief bill. At that time, the economy seemed poised to make an enormous rebound as summer activities looked set to resume. However, underwhelming job reports throughout this past summer dampened these hopes. An August jobs report released last week observed a slowdown in hiring, indicating a tougher job market heading into the month of September. In the White House, there was a heightened level of anxiety surrounding the ending of unemployment benefits, as some in the Biden administration are very concerned that this abrupt end to aid could push many people into poverty. Many Republican lawmakers in states like Oklahoma and Georgia moved to end unemployment benefits early in their respective states, arguing that the benefits were a disincentive for people to rejoin the workforce. However, a study released in August found that only 1 out of every 8 workers who loses their unemployment benefits ends up finding a job. Around $680 billion in emergency unemployment aid has been distributed since March of 2020. Rakin Mahbood, a chief economist at the Groundwork Collaborative, had told The Hill, letting these benefits expire under the current circumstances and the current uncertainty that we're experiencing is a tantamount to forcing people to fall through the cracks. It is not just letting people fall through the cracks. So everyone, what do you think about the Biden administration ending unemployment benefits today? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Senator Joe Manchin urged fellow Democrats to pause in their push to enact a $3.5 trillion spending bill encompassing much of President Biden's domestic agenda, casting doubt on whether and when they will be able to advance the package. Democrats in the House of Representatives and the Senate are currently crafting legislation to fill in the details of a $3.5 trillion spending outline that both chambers approved last month. The package, which Democratic leaders hope to pass in the next coming weeks, along with the $1 trillion infrastructure plan, would advance progressives' ambitious plans to fight climate change and expand childcare, healthcare, and many other social programs. But Democrats need to keep the party unified to get both plans through.
Coach used to say, "Where would you rather be than right here, right now?" And I'm excited to be joined by so many friends and joined by an incredible leader. Roberta Reardon has been through the trenches and back again. What she had to do to allocate over $100 billion of assistance to people in their time of need during this pandemic. I want to give her a round of applause for her amazing leadership. Thank you. We have a grand marshal of our parade here too, John Moody, and I want to thank him for all his great work, and he'll be leading us off. And our Congressman Brian Higgins, you look up fighter for labor in the in Wikipedia, the word Brian Higgins appears right next to it. Brian, thank you for using your personal story of what your father did and grandfather and others who came from this community and worked so hard. And a similar story for Tim Kennedy, local boy made good. I remember him in his early days. He has become a real significant force of influence in our state capitol as well. I'm really proud to work with State Senator Sean Ryan. Really hit the ground running from his experience at the Assembly. He's been out there for us. Also, I saw that our majority leader of the New York State Assembly, Crystal People Stokes, is here in person, in the flesh. Crystal People Stokes. Assembly members Bill Conrad and John Rivera are here as well. I want to thank them. Mayor Byron Brown. Is Byron Brown here? I saw Brian. I didn't see the mayor. Byron Brown is here. Mitch Nowakowski, our council member. And someone who, whether it's a snowstorm or a pandemic, you want there at your side. That's our county executive, Mark Polenkars, is joining us. Denise Abbott, another woman who likes to go where it's not usually customary for women to lead, and I want to thank her for her incredible leadership as well. Denise Abbott, the president of the Buffalo AFL-CIO Central Labor Council. Peter DeJesus, our Western New York Area Labor Federation as well. Peter, great to have you on the team. Dick Lipsitz, we have been through so many battles. All my friends.
Right now, Democrats hold a razor-thin majority in the House as well. And with no Republican support expected for the $3.5 trillion plan, Joe Manchin's opinion, or that of any single Democratic lawmaker, matters greatly. So everyone, the key word for this video is tree. Please make sure to comment below this keyword to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Furthermore, some individual states have decided to step up and provide stimulus checks of their own. For example, right now, California is issuing payments to their residents. For example, the state of California is issuing payments to their residents on Friday that range between $500 to $1,100, depending on certain factors. This money is automatically going out to households that make $75,000 a year or less and filed their 2020 tax returns. Some Texas school districts are paying employees retention bonuses of up to $2,000. The state of Tennessee approved a 2% raise and a one-time payment of $1,000, and also the state of Florida has been giving teachers as well as first responders stimulus checks up to $1,000 each. Millions of eligible families received their second advance child tax credit payment last month and are due to receive their third payment on September 15th. You could be getting up to $300 for each kid under the age of 6 and $250 for each kid between 6 and 17 years old. Unless you have chosen to opt out of this year's advanced monthly payment program, the Internal Revenue Service will continue sending these installments through December 15th, with the remaining credit coming as part of your 2022 tax refund. These advance payments are based on the latest tax return process, so if a family has different circumstances in 2021, like income or children, the amount could be too much or too little. The child tax credit payment amount could be inaccurate due to outdated information, complications with eligibility, or an IRS glitch. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here this morning. I greatly appreciate it. To enter my giveaway, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also please remember to comment below the keyword of the day. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Labor Day.